not only flamenco but Spanish classical dance. School has been in operation since 1982, and I have qualified teachers. We bring in guest teachers from Spain also. When a person accomplishes a very difficult passage in perhaps it's a step or an arm movement, and that satisfaction from accomplishment just translates into other areas of their lives. The Old Roads, New World presentation was a collaboration between a Kathak dancer, which is from northern India, and myself, a flamenco dancer. And that was what Old Roads, New World was. It was a collaboration between Joanna Das, the Kathak dancer who resides here in Toronto, and myself. And it was quite a beautiful and moving work for me to be able to do, because it brought me in touch with different elements, ancient elements of the form that I use. Primarily what you need is a lot of stick-to-itness. It takes a lot of coordination, and the kind of coordination that we don't normally use in everyday life. Turn your left. Put your weight on that left foot. Grab your right arm. That's it. Do that again. Through my presentations, I was getting asked very often to choreograph or to make some classes for people that were interested. People already dancing flamenco here, but they wanted to get more advanced in that. And that's how the school started, that I set up a few classes for the people that were interested, and then gradually started a complete program.
It's really passionate. It's just, yeah, you know, there's noise. You stomp your feet, you clap your hands. It's not like, not that I don't like ballet or anything, but ballet's very sort of smooth and traditional. Well, this is traditional as well, but flamenco is just, you know, it's passionate.
You have to be in shape. It takes a lot of stamina, a lot of power. So I don't know why men don't take it. I really don't. Should.
It's very difficult, very confusing, but it's great. I'm working on it and I like it. I enjoy it.